try. My own life is a lie. Better luck next time. Nice try. Okay. Sun revolves around Venus and rats are the cleanest creatures. That's why the gossip claims. Hopefully is a perfect name for someone who's just gone insane. That's what I say. You crash a car by using headlights. You can learn to backflip overnight. Everyone knows everything. Dinosaurs stalk the desert. Falling in love is unpleasant. If you can't hold a tune, then you can sing. Nice try. My own life is a lie. Better luck next time. Nice try. Okay. You really think there's treasure at the end of a rainbow? You really think when you part ways you can just let go? You really think if your drawer is square you're an artist? You really think if you strum strings you're a guitarist? You really think you can escape quicksand? Really think life goes exactly how it was planned? You really think you can grow and fly away? Don't get me wrong, that would be great. Nice try. My own life is a lie. Better look next time. Nice try. Okay, nice try. My own life is a lie. Better luck next time. Nice try. Okay. That is probably personally one of my favourite songs that I wrote myself, so I'm so glad that I finally got to perform that. So I'm glad you enjoyed that. Thank you.